Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So while Madlomo is busy at church all night prayer, Untloso is in Dintle's bed, and Dintle feels like Untloso can stay a little bit longer, but Untloso is like, hey, I can't, I need to go back home before my wife gets back. Dintle seems a bit sad, saying, I feel safe in your arm, I miss being in your arms, blah, blah, blah. Untloso is like, you knew exactly what you're getting yourself into when you got into this. Uyasazi isimo sami sisekhaya. Closer gets home, uyabuya uMadlomo finds that Closer did not even eat the food that she had left for him. He makes up a story about Ibrahim, umalumakhe, blah, blah, blah. And then uMadlomo talks to Nhloso about what they said at church, ukuthi he must come because kunamanzi angena endlini kwaGaza. But Nhloso refuses, saying he's not going to go to church, and he forbids uMadlomo from going to that church ever, because uMadlomo started to say, do you have something to hide? On the other hand, uMavutela does not believe this whole Mthunzi thing with his Semide's son. Questions Umdala because you also not believe it. But Umdala is like, I don't care. I've decided to let it go. This guy saved our lives. He saved my wife's life. She could have been shot right in front of my eyes. So I'm just not getting involved. But Uvuvu won't let it go. Feels like it's a bit too convenient. Approaches Mthunzi, ask him, how when didn't you say that your father was a freedom fighter, Ali Amandla, and got betrayed by Sisoko Langa, but now Jiki Semide is your father? I'd say, that was my stepfather. Asim Mavutela, okay, fine, that's fine. I think everyone deserves a second chance. Asim Mthunzi, let's let the past be in the past, let bygones be bygones. And then Usamide decides this is going to reward Mthunzi for saving eThembeni. Uzom-add legally to be his heir, meaning that he wants to add him to his will. UNhloso overhears this and is a bit worried. Ngapha uKidiboni is too deep in gambling and is not even thinking straight. Went there to ask Botsotso to organize some soccer tickets for her and Gaza. The next thing girl is in there gambling just because she saw someone else gambling. Now she can't even afford the tickets that Botsotso organized. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.